I'm super excited. Oh my God, look at this, Donnie. It's even got a CD player. I'm gonna try out my new Celine Dion CD.
Yeah, it's alright. Now, Donnie, pay attention.
Yeah. I got it. Where's the play button in here? Got it. My heart will go.
I mean it, Jimmy. You're gonna tip the thing off the Jimmy.
Ah, my Celine Dion CD. It's scratched.
Come to my office and see it. But until COVID enables you to do that, I brought it here. This is a picture of my father and the First Lady, Eleanor Roosevelt. It was the first time he had a hearing as the chair of the District of Columbia Appropriations Subcommittee. As chair of that committee, he was known as the unofficial mayor of Washington.
I am all woman. Hear me roar. More and peacock. Did you guys hear? They have a new vaccine for the COVID.
Yay! No more masks.
Well, actually, you have to wear a mask still.
Well, at least we can gather in groups now.
No, you can't do that either.
Ah, that sucks.
But at least this vaccine will get rid of COVID once and for all. No, it doesn't do that either.
Then what is the vaccine for?
I'm not sure. It does protect you 75% against a virus that has a 99-point survival rate.
Yes, it sounds so ridiculous. But the government expects us to believe these lies. Stop watching the media and think for yourself. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, somebody not wearing a mask. Hey, bud, just put the mask on.
Why can't you get on the ground? You get on the fucking ground. What? Put your hands behind your back. Put your fucking hands behind your back now.
It's just a mask, man.
Watch out. Oh, they got in front of it.
Say it again, Steven. I'm super mad. Ah, stop it, Steven.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right. Can you count higher than that?
1, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Can you count backwards? Yeah, can you count lower than that?
It's not that bad, Kevin. I don't understand. Don't hit my seat. You're acting like a child. Don't you Kevin! Oh, no. Oh, Betty! Betty, God, no! Oh, you're right. Oh, Betty, sweet mama. Yeah, I'm real upset. My turtle died yesterday. Nobody cared. He ran out in the middle of the street. Nobody did anything. It's time for me to take a stand. I'm putting my foot down like those NFL players. Turtle lives matter. That's right. What are you doing? I'm trying to take a stand. Oh, yeah, man. I'm the best jet skier there ever was. Look at me doing a handstand. Oh, I hope the judges are watching up.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
I'm a great dancer. I hope that Bella can see me. Bella, hi Bella, look over here. Bella, oh my God, Bella, look away. Look away. Oh my God, I hope she didn't see me. Hi Bella, hi. Old? Who's old? I'm not old, I've still got it. Watch, I've got the moves. It's hot, so hot, I'm taking off my clothes. Macarena taught me how to Dougie. It's hot. Ah, that's hot!
Not the potato salad, damn it, Gregory!
Y'all, I feel like Evil Knievel up in here. Yeah, this just feels right.
Take it for a spin, Johnny.
Ready, guys? Kickflip, Willie! Oh,
My car!
yeah, don't worry about it, I got buddy. Yeah, that'll buff right out.
That was nothing. Let someone who's been the runner-up for 2 aluminum medals show you how it's done. It's all in the legs. Keep them together. Here we go.
Ah!
That wasn't my fault. Your diving board isn't vertically aligned right. What was I...
Hey, Mom, look at me. I'm a lost boy. Look, just like Peter Pan. Yeah. This is so much fun. Forget Neverland. I'm going to Vegas.
Well, I didn't know that.